Now, compensated demand curve is also called Hicksian demand curve. Okay, that is, it is also called Hicksian demand curve. Now, this is the relationship between quantity demanded, okay, and price. This is actually not a two-way relationship. Okay, so but quantity demanded and price, and that is when the price increases and quantity demanded falls, keeping the utility constant. Okay, this is important. So you keep utility constant out here. Okay, now the point is, you will have to keep the utility constant. You will have to go through the recordings on the substitution effect and income effect and the derivation of demand curve through a utility function or to understand this well. But I'm taking off from there and assuming this that you have seen that. So what is being said is that you have the utility function with you, okay, and I draw any utility function, okay, that is like this. I draw a utility function. What is happening? Just wait. Yeah. So this is a utility function. Fine. Say anything. Say u. Fine. Now this is drawn at some level of budget. Okay. Say at this budget. Okay. Now at this budget, this is this one. This is the equilibrium point. Say E naught. Fine. How much of X is being consumed out here? Okay, how much of X is being consumed? Say X1. Okay, and utility is assumed to be constant out here, and say price is P1. Okay, now this is of course your price ratio P1 by P2. Okay, but and I'm going to see the effect of the price fall. So when price will further reduce to P1 dash or P1 double dash or something, then we'll see how it will happen. But the point is that we are trying to keep the utility constant. Okay, so at your P1, okay, how much of X is being demanding? Is being demanded is X1. So we have 1 point on the Hicksian demand curve, which is this. Now let us change the budget but keep the utility constant. Okay, somewhat like this. So we have changed the budget, but we have kept the utility constant. Okay, so this is the new point. Say E naught. Clear? Now again, what is happening? So how much of X you are buying? You're buying say X2. Okay, but price has fallen to say P1 dash. Clear? But you're buying more of X2. So that is another point on Hicksian demand curve. Clear? Because on both of these points, your utility is constant. Clear? Let me draw just one more for the purpose of illustration. Suppose if this is one more budget line. Okay, I need to do this, I'm sorry. Okay, so let me increase the X's also for you. Okay, so now your equilibrium is out here. Say E2. This was E1. So how much of X you're buying? You're buying X3, but price has again fallen to say P1 double dash. Okay, and you're buying X3. Clear? Now as price has fallen from P1 to P1 dash to P1 double dash and so on, and equilibriums have changed from E0 to E1 to E2, okay, this would be X3, then but your utility is being kept constant, and if you join these 3 points, the curve which you get is your Hicksian demand curve. Okay, so this is your Hicksian demand curve. This Hicksian demand curve is the relationship between the quantity demanded and price, keeping the utility constant. So X star, which is the quantity demanded of X, that is Hicksian demand, is equal to X, that is Hx, is equal to Px, Py, and utility, which is of course constant.